Hi there and welcome everyone to a new Geeks tutorial here in rackmedia.com. In today's video I will be showing you how to fix your red light of death in PlayStation 3. Okay, so welcome back. What to do next is to put the fan on its place. Okay, let's get it. Okay, so I need to get it back to its correct place. As you can see, we have the slot here, so it must be in place. You can see. Okay, it's done here. Next, you can follow the arrows. Have 3 screws. These ones that you have put them away. Okay. And the third one here.
www.rackmedia.com.
Bring the other part. Okay, so next we gonna put the power cover here on its place. So let's get it. It's this one. So as we have seen before, it has clips. You need to careful, okay, put them into the appropriate places. There and there. So gently. There. It's done. Great. So now let's get the plastic cover. Should be at bottom. Okay. Good. Put it into place. Okay. That's it. Fixed. Now we need to get back the screws on their places. Just follow the arrows. The 6 screws that we have there. First you need to make sure which ones are longer and which one have just one is long and all the rest are a shorter one.
www.rackmedia.com.
Next we need to fix this one in its place, or to have space, which goes this one. Okay, next we need to put on the power supply. That's it. Plug it in first. Make sure it is plugged correctly in order to avoid any damage or issues. Put it into place. Like that. So just get it down, to touch the other parts. So always follow the arrows. Okay, done. So next you need to get the wireless card and put it into its place. Okay, so now we need to put back the wireless card, which is this one. Okay. So you must lock it using this lock in here. Okay, be gentle in order not to smash or damage any components. Okay, it's done. And to get that detector, okay, let's place that.
www.rackmedia.com.
Next we need to bring the disk or DVD driver. Okay, that's it. So first we have to put the ribbon back. Press it down. Make sure it is well fixed. Okay. Going to lock down the unit. We'll have the screws from the top, which will fix it. Plug in the power supply. Slot here. Done. Okay, so now let's put the lid back into its place. It's almost finished. So the lid goes from that side first. Okay. Gently. Okay. It fits in. Okay. It's done. So now just put the screws down or back to their places. Follow the arrows. It's done. Okay, so I have finished with the lid. Need to put on the top lid or the top cover. That's it. Next we need to put on the hard disk that you have removed first. Okay. Turn it back this side. Put it down slightly and slide it. Okay, so there's a, that's it. And put the screw back. Done. The cover now. It's done. Can put back the screw in here and the ribbon, and that get back your patch in here, but we need to test it first to get whether it has been fixed or not. So that's the moment of truth. That's it. Okay, so that's the moment of truth. We'll try to find how the fix has been working or not. Okay, plug in your power. That's it. Let's go on. So there is a red light already going on. This power is ready. So moment of truth. Hope this fix will work for you. Enjoy your game. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do consider sharing it. Click on the like button and go ahead and leave us a comment below. We'd love to hear from you, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and the notifications to get the latest tutorials that will inspire, empower and connect you.
www.rackmedia.com.
Bye for now, see you next video.